Hi guys, so my name is Santi and I am the creator of NeverSolo app, and this is how I plan my trips. So um, I have a problem. I'm going to Japan and I don't have a set up itinerary, and my friends, the way what they gave me was just like unusable, right? So I was like, let me make an app, and I would love for you guys to kind of try this out. Let me see. So let's say that you sign in, right? Uh, okay. So let's say that you log in, right? And the first thing that you're going to see is your trips. So once you create a new trip, but I kind of want to show you what's going on with my Japan one. So once you open it up, on the left, you have your destinations, right? So we're going to start at Tokyo, then we're going to go to Fujiga, whatever. I don't know how to say that. Sorry, guys. Then we're gonna go to Mount Fuji, then we're gonna go to Kyoto, and then we're gonna go to Osaka, right? And then for each one, you can have stops, and let me move this over here. And you can set your stops wherever you want to go. But for this one, what I did was more write the notes. And once you have the notes, right, you can kind of like simulate the route, right? So it kind of shows you how things are gonna go, right? It goes in, takes you to Fuji, Kyoto, and Osaka, right? And that's how our trip goes. So obviously once it's done, we just reset it, okay? And then another thing that goes in once you go into the itinerary up here, you have everything set up for you to be able to give to your friends. Um, this for me is amazing, right? Because I can give this to my friend group and everybody knows exactly what we need to do. But let's say that we want to do something like this, right? Where we want to add the stops. So if I go and I go here to add stop, you search it, it finds it, and now we have one stop, right? Let's go back to Tokyo. And, let me see. Let's go back to Tokyo. Tokyo, we have this one in the first one. We're gonna check in at 4 p.m. Where did I add this stop? Interesting. I added it to this one. So we're gonna delete that one, right? Because I added to the wrong one. And we're gonna go back to Tokyo. We're gonna select it right here, and we're gonna add the stop that we want. Okay. So now we have one stop in Tokyo. Let me see. So we have the Tokyo Airbnb, and then actually we haven't added a lot here. So okay. So that is way worse than what I expected it to be. That's fine. We're gonna put it anyways. So we have the Airbnb. Then on July 20th we have the Shibuya crossing. Right, so then we're gonna add another stop, Shibuya crossing. There we go. It's added. Then we're gonna go Shibuya Parko. Then we're gonna go to Mayashita Park. And then we're gonna go to Don Quixote. Voila. And there we go. So as you can see now, we have most of them in Shibuya, and we have one over here, and this one is our Airbnb. So we now have everything that we need to show on our trip on this map interactively. And if we simulate the route, it's going a little fast, but it shows you exactly what we're gonna do, right? Let me try to like slow it down. All right. So let's try to slow it down and simulate. So then it shows you, hey, we're gonna go first to the first one. To fix that a little bit. So yeah. And then it goes to Kyoto, because it always goes to the next one. And it shows you exactly how we're gonna do it. So let's reset again. And now that we have all of this, now we can go to the itinerary again. And we have everything we have here. Boom, Shibuya Crossing, Mashayiro Park, and everything else. So let's say that we go to our Tokyo. Okay, and now Shibuya Crossing. When is it scheduled? There we go. And we have it scheduled for July 20th. 20th, let's say at 2 p.m. Right? Perfect. That's it. We have everything, how much the duration, and if we wanted to add any notes, we can. And then we save changes, and then that's it. We have our whole map again. Our Tokyo is done. And we have everything that we need to use. All of our stops. Can make this a little bit bigger. And we're done. We're done fixing this up. And really the powerful thing here is that we can have the itinerary be printed out the same way that we have. And this is awesome. This gives you everything you need. The other cool part that we have here, I can show, is that you can go and you can share this. They can have an edit link and a viewable link. So if they get a viewable link, it'll look somewhat like this, where they can just view the whole thing, right? No notes, no anything. Probably with the link you can't see the notes because it's your friends, but you can also give them. You can give them the one that they can actually edit things and they can add. So you can say like, hey, just work on Kyoto or work on Osaka, and just keep on putting all the things that you need. And yeah, so try this out. It has a couple more things that I like to add. So if you go to your dashboard, you're gonna be able to find other travelers, and as you have more friends, the more trips that they have, you'll be able to see them and you'll be able to join them and see where they are. So that's kind of like a cool thing. Yeah, you can follow people. And the other cool part is that the trips are public, so you can actually view the trip and copy it, and then you can do the same exact trip that somebody else did. So as this app grows, you're gonna be able to see a lot more activity and social kind of like mingling going on, where let's say one of your friends goes to Switzerland, and you're like, oh, I loved all the hotels that you stayed. They'll share the link with you, you copy it, and then you can just remove all the things that you want and make the trip your own, but you already have kind of like an idea. The next thing that we want to add is pictures, so you can add the pictures that you wanted, and it'll be pretty dope. I hope you like this demo, and please don't hesitate to use this app and tell me what's wrong or what you want added. Bye.